me a driver, one who's not afraid to dive right in. Have you ever chased after a Mexican dust storm before?
No, but I get the feeling I'm about to.
Press R to rewind. Horizon Story, El Camino, loading.
Oh, you're the driver everyone talks about. Haley's asked for pictures of all the cars at the festival. It's called Horizon Promo, and obviously, we want action shots, fast ones.
I can do fast. Let's go.
For Horizon Promo, you just need to take a picture of your car, but it'll look better with a little drama. Let's head into the storm and find the perfect location. Okay, there's the turnoff. Some people believe mysterious things happen in storms like these. There's even a story of an explorer who got lost in a storm and only found her way out when she found a huge statue near the coast. It's just a legend, of course, but want to see if we can find it?
I'll take any excuse to drive this car through the heart of the storm.
Press P to open photo mode.
Over there, do you see? Uy, this is increíble. The photos look great. But there aren't supposed to be any statues like that near here.
Perhaps it was uncovered by the storm.
Yeah, that must be it. Okay, I'll get these photos to Haley. We should go treasure hunting again soon, eh? I'll call you.
Enter continue, X retry, Y. Loading. Enter skip. Enter purchase options, ESC back.
Hey Alexa, we've kicked off a whole bunch of new events, so it's time for you to get out there and show us what a superstar can do. Everything you do earns you accolades. Think of them as mini challenges that cover races, stunts, exploration, everything. If you earn enough accolades, we'll be able to expand and kick off the next chapter of the Horizon adventure. Or if you're feeling slightly more impulsive, we could catch a slingshot straight to Hot Wheels Park. What'd you say?
Or if you're looking for something a bit more down to earth, something with grit, glory, and rally driving, then I have just what you want.
So, what do you want to do first?
Enter set route, X view leaderboard, space view accolades. Enter set route, space view accolades. Enter set route, space view accolades. Press P to open photo mode. Press equals to change radio station.
You have arrived at your destination.
Network diagnostics.
This is Horizon Solo. You'll be up against drivatars rather than real drivers from around the festival, if that's what you'd prefer.
Emeralds. Option highlighted. Loading. 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 Option highlighted. Emerald Circuit. Enter continue. Enter continue. Enter skip. Enter continue.
Big prizes on offer every time. Have a wheel spin.
Enter. Enter collect. Look.
Haley! How was that?
Not bad. You'll find all the latest Horizon events on your map. Go explore. Have fun.
Enter set route. ESC close map. Why purchase treasure map. page down change filter, space view accolades. Enter set route, ESC, enter set route, ESC close map, enter, enter,